What's up, YouTube family? This is your girl Natural Brown Beauty, and I am coming to you guys today. Today is the day. I've been talking to you guys and sharing just a little bit of my hair journey with you. I'm going to be getting the big chop done today, so I just wanted to share the experience and then show you the before and then the after.
Why are you getting this chop done?
So I am getting the big chop done because my hair has completely had it. It's to its end. It's so damaged. It's hard to keep care of anymore, and I'm just tired of doing extra work for it with rotting it at night and just trying different styles to manipulate it and make it look good. So I'm just ready to cut off the dead hair and start fresh, new, and have healthy hair.
All right, now let's take a turn. This is before. Stay tuned for after.
Alright, so when I first got into the salon, of course she sat me down to do a wash and condition. And so once she washed and conditioned my hair, she sat me under the dryer. So under the dryer, she basically just deep conditioned my hair. So I sat under the dryer for maybe 30 minutes. And then what she was doing is wanted to have my hair open up the cuticle to see like the natural curl pattern. And once I was done under the dryer, then we went to prepare my hair for like a wash and go, just to see like how bad the damage really was. And you'll see in this photo that my roots are curly, and then like the longer you go down the shaft of my hair, it starts to get straight and you can really see the damage. So some areas of my head were way worse than other areas, and the closer you got to the top, the more damage you could clearly see. So at first she was telling me like, oh, you know, you might not have to cut that much off, you know, you'll be fine. And so once we prepared the wash and go, she sat me back under the dryer because she says, you know, once your hair dries, you can, you know, your hair changes. So the curl pattern may be a little bit different. So I'm like, okay, I'm holding out hope, you know, I might not have to go too short. And once I was out the dryer, it like got worse. She was like, you know, we gotta chop it off. So I said, you know what, that's why I came, you know, just do what you gotta do. So she starts cutting the back of my head, as you can see in this photo, and I didn't see the hair she was cutting off, so I felt fine. But as this next clip you'll see, she cut the front of my head and I started like panicking. You know what?
It was amazing. Bye hair. She said bye hair. Bye hair. Yeah. Is this Silencia?
So this photo, you can see clearly from the root of my head going outward where the damage starts, and it had to come off. You know, I've tried so many different things to bring the natural curl pattern and nothing was working. So I gave myself a good amount of months to see if I could revive the curl, and it was not working. So I said, okay, that's fine. You know, just cut it off. And I showed her a picture of what I wanted, which was kind of similar to this, but a lot shorter. So I prepared myself and my husband mentally for what was gonna happen. And overall, I could say that I am happy. So you'll see another clip here. She gave me like a tapered look. So you'll see in this next clip what that looks like.
Yes.
So yes, I was scared, but she was very reassuring. I had my friend there for support, which was also reassuring. So overall was good. I could say it's still an adjustment. I am still learning different techniques, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along for the journey. So we are gonna be learning together. And so the next clip you'll see, oh, my hair, a big pile of hair before we get to the next step. But yeah, that's basically what she cut off. And then you'll see like there are straight strands on the floor. So clearly damage could not be undone with that. So I had to go. And then she basically did just like a finger coil. So, well, she did it with a comb. So we used a tapered comb and we coiled my hair. A lot of people start this, use this style to start like dreads or whatever. My husband was not a big fan. I was still adjusting to it since it was still so fresh and new, so I didn't really know how I liked it. But this is more so of like a wash and go that I did, and I like these curls a little bit more than the finger coils, but I do like the finger, or yeah, the coils, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so once she did the coils, she sent me back under the dryer, completely dried my hair, and then we took out the coils. We separated them. So once that was done, then you guys will see you know, kind of what the final end result of that was. But yeah, I did it. I can't believe that I did. It's still a shock, but yeah, I'm so happy with the results. So stay tuned to see the end result. All right guys, so this is the final look. I did it. I was so scared, but I did it. So I'm gonna do a quick turn so you guys can see the final product.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't know. I have not processed it yet. So, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think in the comments. But I'm sure I'll have more to say. I'm just still soaking it in right now. Yeah, so thank you all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments as mentioned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.